Okay, good day everyone. So our topic for today is representations of rational functions. So our objective for today is to represent a rational function through its table of values, graph, and then equation. So let's have example number 1. A Shomai vendor can wrap 4 dumplings every minute. If he wraps a total of 32 dumplings, how much time did he spend wrapping? Represent your answer using the following: table of values, graph, and then mathematical equation. So let's have our solution. So to represent the given problem into mathematical equation, we can use two possible equations. So the first one is y is equal to x over 4, where x is equal to the number of dumplings wrapped, y is equal to number of minutes, 4 is a constant number of dumplings made per minute. Or you can use y is equal to x over n, where x is equal to the number of dumplings wrapped, y is equal to the number of minutes, and n is equal to the number of dumplings made per minute. So let's try the two equation. So on the left side, we can use the first solution, while on the right side, we can use the second equation. So if x is equal to 4, what will be the value of y? So solution, y is equal to x over 4. Y is equal to 4. Substitute the value of x, which is 4, divided by 4, and that will give you 1. If x is equal to 8, y is equal to unknown. So y is equal to x over 4. Substitute the value of x, which is 8. So y is equal to 8 over 4. That will give you y is equal to 2. And then if x is equal to 12, y is equal to unknown. So for the solution, y is equal to x over n. Y is equal to 12 divided by 4 dumplings per minute. So 12 divided by 4, that will give you 3. And then if x is equal to 16, what will be the value of y? Y is equal to x over n, and y is equal to 16 divided by 4 dumplings per minute, and that will give you 4. Okay, so remember that the number of that x is the number of dumplings wrapped, and then y is the number of minutes. So here, if he able, going back to the problem, if a Shomai vendor can wrap a dumpling, 4 dumplings, okay, how many minutes will it take? So it will take 1 minute. So if a Shomai vendor can wrap 8 dumplings, how many minutes will it take? So it will take 2 minutes, and so on and so forth. Now, to represent the table of values, we use the number of dumplings, which is the variable x, and then the number of minutes, which is represented by the variable y. So if the number of dumplings is 4, so the number of minutes it will take is 1. So as you can see, 4, 8, 4, 1, 8, 2, 12, 3, 16, 4, 25, 24, 6, 28, 7, 32, 8. As you can see, as the number of dumplings increases, the number of minutes increases as well. So to represent it using the graph, so we just plot the points using the table of values. So we have 4, 1. So this is 4, 1, 8, 2, 12, 3, 16, 4, 25, 24, and 6, 28, and 7, 32, and 8. And then connect the points. So you start from 0 and 0. So as you can notice, it's a straight line. So it's increasing. Okay, so we move to example number 2. So we are going to represent a function of x is equal to x over x plus 2 using table of values and graph. So we can skip representing this into mathematical equation because the given is already in a mathematical equation. So let's start. So let's try the equation. So if x is equal to negative 2, then f of x is unknown. So for the solution, we just substitute the value of x in order for us to solve for the value of f of x. So negative 2 over negative 2 plus 2, that will give you undefined because negative 2 divided by 0 will give you undefined. Then if x is equal to negative 1, what is the value of f of x? So f of x is equal to x over x plus 2. Then function of x is equal to -1 over -1 plus 2. So -1 divided by 1 is equal to -1. So if x is equal to 0, what is the value of f of x? So solution, f of x is equal to x over x plus 2. Substitute the value f of x is equal to 0 over 0 plus 2. So 0 divided by 2 will give you 0. So if f of x is equal to 1, what will be the value of f of x? So f of x is equal to x over x plus 2. Then f of x is equal to 1 over 1 plus 2. Then 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1/3 or 0.333333. Then if x is equal to 2, what will be the value of function of x? So for the solution, f of x is equal to x over x plus 2. Then substitute the value of x, which is 2. So f of x is equal to 2 over 2 plus 2. So that will give you 2 over 4. Get the lowest term, which is 1/2. Transform it into decimal form. So you will get 0.5. So we are going to use the values for this one to represent the table of values. So as you can notice, we use -2 for the first solution. So if x is equal to -2, what is the value of f of x? So the value of f of x basically is undefined. So -1 and -1, 0 and 0, 1 and 1/3 or 0.3333, and then 2, which is equal to 1/2 or 0.5. And then after that, we are going to use this table of values to represent the function. So as you can notice, we have -1 and 1. We cannot represent -2 and undefined. So we have -1 and 1, then 0 and 0, then 1 and 0.33, and 2 and 0.5. So as you can notice, the graph is represented by a curved line. Okay. Oh, so that's all for today. If you have questions and clarifications, please do ask after this video. So thank you and God bless.